I've asked them to give y'all a message on mental health, anything that you need to know.
So when we talk about health, the concept of mental health is not a new concept to India. If you look at it, even thousands of years back, the definition of health in the Indian context included not just physical but also mental health, psychological well-being, spiritual well-being, social health. And if you look at WHO today, WHO defines health as a state of physical, mental and social health and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. Somewhere in our cultural context, with the transition that's happening between the way the society was shaped a century back than what it is today, there is immense transition, and one vulnerable population that is getting stretched somewhere in between this transition is women. When we look at women in India today, they are torn between tradition and modernity. And when we talk about mental health and psychological well-being of women, there is a lot that needs to be spoken about. There is a lot that's happening. Women are taking up roles in which they are earning members of the family. They are completing their educations more than what they were doing maybe even 50 years back. And they are having jobs and working hours which are very long stretched. But along with adopting these modern working styles, they haven't let go of their traditional roles. So they are still the mother, they are still the sister, they are still the daughter. So women are taking up a dual role in today's time.
Very true, very true.
And somewhere in this entire process, the burdens, the stresses they face, they require attention, they require support. When we look at it at a biological level, we see that certain psychiatric difficulties like depression, like anxiety disorders are more common in women. There's a biological basis to it also. Women go through a lot of changes at a bodily level with hormonal changes, with pregnancy and other life events. So they are more vulnerable to disorders like depression, like anxiety. And when you add the stresses of a dual role, there's a lot that they're dealing with. So it highlights the importance of a good support system that women provide for each other. If you look at it, generally women will have their social support, they will have their female bonding, they will speak about their problems. Somewhere let's not ignore that social support. Let's work, let's provide them more support in whatever way possible. And let's also understand that if there is a woman in your family who's having symptoms of depression, who's having symptoms of anxiety or any other psychological distress from reaching out, but disorders require treatment, and if treated well, hesitate from taking help when it is required.
I hope that you get the message behind making this video. Spread it to everyone so everybody knows that it is important to take care of your mental health.